Good morning, YouTube. And this morning we're gonna look at this tree. We're doing these 2 yards, but we're gonna see this tree that because it is getting bushy. That's a natural afro right there. And we gotta cut it back. You gotta cut it back off the house. Right over here. You got a good trim back going on over here. This thing has been getting pretty hairy. And so we gotta cut it back. Whenever it's getting to the point that you can't walk under it, that's when it's time. And see that guy, he's taking you off your bike if you're riding by here. Some little kid's trying to do his thing on his bike and he's gonna gotta watch out for that. That's also a safety concern. So call Florida Pro, get the tree trimmed, and we'll hook you up, no big deal. This is the before. Stay tuned.